Welcome in Ohouse. I am Aviva and this is my home. My home is, as you can see, pretty maximalist. I love bright colors, I love layering patterns, I love tons of artwork, but at the same time it's pretty balanced. I'm an artist from a family of artists. I also owned a gallery in the Castro for 7 years, so that's something that I really get excited about, being surrounded by personal works of art. A lot of the art in the home is from local and emerging artists. So much character and life and stories brings me a lot of joy. I think there's a lot of fear about buying things because they think it's going to be forever. When it comes to color or pattern or wallpaper, people don't make decisions because they're so scared about what they're going to be like in 20 years. And there's a lot of commitment phobia that happens. I'm not monogamous with couches. I have 4 now. These are not going to be the first or the last couches that I have in my life. And I love them now, and maybe I'll hate them in 10 years and then I'll get another one. The living room is very long. It doesn't have a standard layout, so it's a little bit challenging to think about how I was going to structure the room. It's really important to me to have a bunch of seating for a bunch of people because I love to host. I ended up dividing it into 2 separate kind of spaces that can also be unified, but it's also open enough that a bunch of people can sit here and talk to each other. Home is very much a place where I could feel cocooned in my nest and a safe space for me. It's also equally important that others feel just at home in my place. I love to be a refuge for people, just really free and open and warm and inviting. Parties, get drunk and have a dance party in the kitchen, it's all appropriate for the space.